Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Safe Exam Browser, also known as SEB, on your MacBook. If you're getting ready for an online exam that requires Safe Exam Browser, don't worry. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Safe Exam Browser website. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can access it easily. Once you're on the website, look for the option that says Download Safe Exam Browser for macOS. Click it, and the SEB installer will begin downloading. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the .dmg file. A window will appear showing the SEB application. Now, drag the Safe Exam Browser icon into your Applications folder to install it. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash if you want. Next, open Launchpad or go to your Applications folder and find Safe Exam Browser. Click on it to launch the app. If macOS displays a message saying the app is from an unidentified developer or was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to confirm. Once SEB opens, it may ask you to load a configuration file, depending on how your exam is set up. If your instructor or exam platform provided a .seb configuration file, just double-click it. SEB will automatically apply the exam settings and lock your Mac into the secure exam environment. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Safe Exam Browser on your Mac. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you never miss future tech guides. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your exam.